What's up, Danny? I'm YouTube, and a pretty interesting sneaker today. This is a sneaker that I don't think release date will ever see the light of day anytime soon, if at all, to be honest. But they're the Yeezy Scubas, the Yeezy Scuba boot. I'm not sure what type of sneaker this is. All I know is its inspiration is obviously from a scuba shoe. People got that from his very first pictures when Kanye West wore them. These sneakers were really only given to the public in short quantities if you were part of the Sunday service choir in the 2019 Coachella show on Easter. If you were part of the choir, you got these sneakers as a part of uniform, and rumor has it that those people haven't been paid to this date. So I mean, I guess your only form of payment is to grab the sneaker that you performed in and resell it. On the inside label of the sneaker, it says sample, not for resale. I won't be able to show you guys through the camera because it's so tight, but I'll put a picture of it. The insole on this sneaker is a Yeezy Ortholite. So I mean, it is made by Adidas, so that's interesting. And the bottom sole on this really has like no traction. The sole is very thin. You're definitely gonna feel every single step you take on like pavement. But it's really just a mesh upper, a very flexible mesh upper. And that's really all I have to say about the sneaker. Detail wise, as you see, it has like piping up. That's not 3M or anything special. It's literally just for just to make it look cool, I suppose. But I don't know, man. I've seen pictures of these, but honestly, I've only seen like 2 videos on YouTube, and one of them I'm 99% sure it's fake. The resale market on the sneaker is everywhere because, like I said, you only got it if you were friends or family of Kanye. So I mean, I've seen these sell for upwards of 1,000, and I've seen these sell for as low as 150. So I mean, as long as you're in that price range, I guess you're good, right? You control the market if you have these, to be honest, because it's not many sizes available, and I'm pretty sure the people that have them know that they're holding like a piece of history, to be honest, and that they'll never be for sale. But these are interesting. I definitely had to pick them up because I definitely want to have every single Kanye West shoe in existence in my collection. So I mean, I gotta get these if I want to complete that, right? The soles on these look brand new. They don't look worn at all. Just some dust from storage. But every single pair I've seen has this crease right here on the shoe, just because I guess this shoe can't even hold itself up. That's really it, to be honest. I've only seen 2 colorways of these sneakers. Both have been seen on Kanye West. It's this gray with the gray piping and the white on white. Other than that, this sneaker is really like mysterious. There's no information on it. It has a production date on it, but I'm pretty sure every sample has a production date, whether it releases or not. And that's really it, man. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Nice and short. Just giving you guys a little preview of this sneaker. Little preview of the sample tag. I put a sock in there in both sneakers just so it could hold its shape around this area so it doesn't like fall on itself and look even uglier. But these are my size. These are size 10. I doubt I'll ever get a chance to wear these because I don't know how to swim. I've never been to a beach, so pretty sure these would just sit on ice forever in my closet. One info I forgot to mention about these is that since they are samples and they were only given out to the people in the Sunday service choir, I have not seen a box for these. I've only seen one of the YouTube video on these, and I'm 99% sure they were fake, so that box was not real. But I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys think these will ever release, or let me know if you guys would buy these if they do release. And thank you for your time. Like and subscribe.
When you gagging,
Yeah, he call me big purr. Come make the pussy purr.
the SRT make her get